So apparently this guy tries to run off on the plug and it turns out horribly wrong. Let's check it out.
Who's good? Can you just come right here, bro? I recently just got robbed. I don't want to deal with that shit. Oh, I feel you. Yeah, I got the money right here. I it out. It's fire as fuck. Yeah, it's good shit. It's good.
Is it worth it? Is it really worth it, bro? Stay off them drugs. So apparently this chick and this dude got into an altercation at Walmart. Let's check this video out. Not only is they causing a scene, everybody around them just watching, which is crazy. Everybody instigators. Not nan person out there are adults. They all condoning this. Let's continue watching this though. Is she finna get a gun? Like, what's going on? She holding up traffic, got out the car. Man, it's too much emotion going on, bro. We gotta do better as people, man. And he just is worse, cause I don't care if you gay or whatever, you still a man, bro. Walk away. Just walk away. What's good with y'all? So apparently, this is a graduation that has gone wrong. Let's check this video out, man. Bro, I was not expecting that, bro. I was not. Why are they walking like that? Make sure you follow the channel. But let's see what this talking about. Boom, 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 boom. It ain't fair, bro. Get him out the ring. Get him out the ring. Boom. Let's see that last one. What's going on? So apparently this guy is in the hood asking death questions. Let's check it out.
Hey, what's up, my boy?
Where you from?
From where?
What?
From Earth.
From Earth?
Yeah.
Know where you at?
Yeah. Where am I at?
You at PDLs, bro.
Huh? Okay, but why are you going crazy on me? What am I doing?
What you here for? What you looking at?
Huh? I was just looking at what you're looking at.
Don't worry about what we looking at.
Alright.
Get the fuck about it.
Alright.
Hurry the fuck up.
See, stuff like this get you hurt and get you killed. I don't understand, like, what's the motive behind this video.
Why
It's not funny.
Okay,
You playing with your life. You only get one life to live. Cherish it, man. Y'all be safe out here. What's going on? Now that I got your attention, let's check this video out.
Where do you see yourself in 6 years from now?
I mean, I can't see myself in 6 days. How can I tell you where I see myself in 6 years?
Exactly.
I mean, we want someone that's very
Come on, bro.
forward-thinking, that we know is going to...
Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me what will happen
Excuse
to
me,
you
sir.
when you walk out of this office in 6 minutes? Can you? I'm just asking you a question.
How is this a prank? Check this video out, man. Somebody daddy didn't put the hands on that bar. Hey, if you new, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Let's get to the video. Boom, come here. Sticking them. You know how it be. People be talking crazy. I already know how it went. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, man, you know I don't condone no violence, but hey, This video is crazy. Let's check it out, man. Man, putting your hands on a female, no respect.